I'll show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the system. It's not quite as simple as you may think. Again, overcomplicated in my opinion. I think it should just play audio from the person whose telephone is coupled up to the system, and if you didn't want it coming from that, then you should change it, but it seems a little more complicated. So what you do, if you just check here, you'll see the red triangle, the 3 red circles. You click on there, it's not showing the Mercedes Benz. So from the selector up to the menu, across to audio, click audio, and you'll see BT audio at the bottom that's highlighted. Click BT audio, Bluetooth audio device list, click Bluetooth audio device list, and then it's got a choice of phones to play music from. So if I click on my iPhone, there you go, you'll see it come up. So now it will play music from this. So if I go back to that and then turn this up, there you go, that's playing music through it.